Okay, let's solve this question. How many solutions the system of these two equations has? We have your two equations. This is modulus of z is equal to 4. What will be locus of z? For this equation, locus of z will be circle whose center is origin and radius is 4. So we draw this circle on Argand plane whose center is origin and radius is 4. Okay. Now look at this equation. ध्यान से पढ़े इस equation को. What will be locus? Here three complex numbers are involved. This is a distance between complex numbers z and minus 4. This is distance between complex numbers z and 3 iota. Now what will be distance between complex numbers minus 4 and 3 iota? In दो complex numbers के बीच का distance क्या होगा? Distance will be 5. So here we can write 5 as minus 4 minus 3 iota. ठीक है? So we have equation of this form, modulus of z minus z1 minus modulus of z minus z2 is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. Okay, then locus of z will be 2 rays. Z will lie on 2 rays emanating from complex numbers minus 4 and 3 iota. Let's draw the locus. We have here 2 rays. This is point 3 iota, this is point minus 4. We will have 2 rays in opposite directions emanating from 3 iota and minus 4. Now clearly from the diagram there will be two solutions. Diagram से समझ में आ रहा है? यहाँ पे दो solutions होंगे. One solution will be minus 4 and the other solution will be this point of intersection of this ray and this circle. Okay, now how can we get this point of intersection? इस point of intersection का complex number कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? It will be a bit difficult to solve the equations in this form, in the complex number form. Okay, so what do? We use Cartesian equations. This is x square plus y square is equal to 16. I am putting z is equal to x plus iota y. हम Cartesian equations use कर रहे हैं. Okay, and how we get equations of these two rays? Better we get equation of line on which this two rays lie. हम इस line का equation निकाल लेते हैं. क्या होगा? Line is passing through these 2 points minus 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. Okay, so equation of line will be x upon minus 4 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. I am using intercept form of the line. Okay, now what do you do? We solve these two equations, we eliminate one of the variables, say y, we will get quadratic in x. Okay, there will be two values of x, one value will be minus 4 and other value will be abscissa of this point of intersection. So this is how we solve these two equations. Okay, anytime you can move from complex numbers to कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. ठीक है, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के इक्वेशंस को हम कार्टेशियन इक्वेशंस में कन्वर्ट करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. नाउ सपोज second equation is modulus of z is equal to 3 in place of modulus of z is equal to 4. Suppose इसकी जगह पे ये equation है, then how many solutions will be there? We draw the circle whose center is origin and radius is 3. Okay. Now from the diagram, how many solutions are there? There will be only one solution, that is 3 iota. So एक ही solution होगा, ये 3 iota. ओके ये जो रे है वो सर्कल को इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगा. देयर विल बी ओनली वन सॉल्यूशन, दैट इज 3 आयोटा. तो देखो प्लॉटिंग करके हमारा काम आसान हो रहा है. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस. वी हैव हियर टू इक्वेशंस, हमें इनको सॉल्व करना है. क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले हम लोकस को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. वी विल फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई द लोकस ईच इक्वेशन रिप्रेजेंट्स. First consider this equation. This is distance between complex numbers z and 2 plus 3 iota. This is distance between complex numbers z and minus 3. Okay, this is equal to root 34. Now we check this value with respect to these two complex numbers. What is distance between these two complex numbers? Distance is 2 plus 3 iota minus minus 3. This is modulus of 5 plus 3 iota. Okay, and this is root 34. Okay, so we have equation modulus of z minus z1 plus modulus of z minus z2 is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. So locus of z will be line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, let's draw the locus. We have here points 2 plus 3 iota and minus 3. Join these 2 points. We have this line segment. This is locus of z which satisfy this equation. Z will lie on this line segment. Okay. Now consider this equation. We have a distance between z and 4 minus distance between z and 2 plus 2 iota. This is equal to 2 root 2. Now we check this value with respect to these two complex numbers. Distance between complex numbers 4 and 2 plus 2 iota is modulus of 2 minus 2 iota. This is root 8. This is 2 root 2. Okay. So this is distance between these two complex numbers. On RHS we have distance between these two complex numbers. So we have equation modulus of z minus z1 minus modulus of z minus z2 is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. Okay. So to draw the locus, we first mark these two complex numbers. We have here complex number 4 and complex number 2 plus 2 iota. Okay. Distance between these two complex numbers is 2 root 2. Okay. Now obviously this value will be more than this value क्योंकि ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है तो ये वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगा. सो z विल लाई ऑन दिस रे. z जो है वो इस रे के ऊपर होगा ना, इस तरफ होगा. ओके, फॉर एनी पॉइंट z ऑन दिस रे we will have this distance minus this distance is equal to this distance. ठीक है. So here locus will be this ray. Okay. Now from the diagram we can say that system has one solution. It is this. ठीक है. System को एक solution होगा जो ये point होगा. Now we can find this point of intersection. How can we solve these two equations? इन दोनों equations को कैसे solve करेंगे? We can find equations of lines on which this ray and this line segment lie. Okay. Now this line passes through points 2 comma 3 and minus 3 comma 0. Okay. Slope of line is 3 upon 5. Okay. So equation of line will be y minus 0 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay. So equation of line will be 3x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. This is equation of line on which this line segment lie. Now this line passes through points 4 comma 0 and 2 comma 2. Okay. Equation of line will be x plus y is equal to 4. अब चेक करो लाइन का इक्वेशन ये आएगा. ओके, नाउ वी सॉल्व दिस टू लाइंस. सॉल्व करते हैं. y is equal to 4 minus x, so we get 3x minus 5 multiplied by 4 minus x is equal to minus 9. We get 3x plus 5x, 8x. On RHS we will have 20 minus 9, 11. So value of x will be 11 upon 8. Put x is equal to 11 upon 8 here. We get y is equal to 21 upon 8. So this point of intersection has coordinates 11 upon 8 comma 21 upon 8. Complex number of this point of intersection will be 11 upon 8 plus iota 21 upon 8. ठीक है ना. तो देखो हम एक अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन यूज कर रहे हैं. वी आर फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग द लोकस यूजिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स. ओके, एंड देन वी आर सॉल्विंग द इक्वेशंस इन द कार्टेशियन फॉर्म.